Imagine turning on your computer in 2026, seeing a familiar centered taskbar, rounded corners, smooth animations, and that clean, modern aesthetic you've known for years, only to realize you're not running Windows 11 at all. You're on Linux. This is no longer a niche fantasy for tech enthusiasts, but a very real and polished experience, thanks to a new generation of Linux distributions that deliberately recreate the Windows 11 look and feel while keeping all the freedom, speed, and control Linux is famous for. In this video, we're diving deep into the top Linux distros in 2026 that look almost exactly like Windows 11, not just on the surface but in daily usability, workflow, and overall vibe. These distros are perfect for people who are switching from Windows, tired of forced updates, system slowdowns, hardware requirements, or privacy concerns, but who still want something that feels instantly familiar. Let's start with the big picture. Why are Windows 11-style Linux distros so popular in 2026? The answer is simple. Microsoft has continued to push cloud integration, online accounts, telemetry, and AI-driven features that many users didn't ask for. At the same time, Linux desktops have matured dramatically. Modern desktop environments like KDE Plasma and Cinnamon are now visually stunning, highly customizable, and incredibly smooth, even on older hardware. Developers realized that the biggest barrier for new Linux users wasn't software availability anymore, but visual comfort and muscle memory. So they focused on recreating the Windows 11 experience down to the smallest detail, from the taskbar layout to system sounds, animations, and even keyboard shortcuts. One of the most talked about Linux distros in 2026 that looks like Windows 11 is Linuxfx, often called Windows. This distribution has made its entire identity around being a Windows replacement that feels almost identical. When you boot into Linux for the first time, the illusion is impressive. The centered taskbar, the start menu layout, the system tray icons, the window controls, and even the font choices are designed to mirror Windows 11 as closely as possible. For someone migrating from Windows, there's almost no learning curve at all. You click the Start button, search for apps, manage settings, and multitask just like you would on Windows. Under the hood, Linux is based on Ubuntu, which means you get excellent hardware compatibility, long-term stability, and access to thousands of Linux applications. In 2026, Linux has improved performance significantly, reduced its reliance on paid features, and polished its UI to the point where even experienced Windows users sometimes forget they're on Linux. It's especially popular among office users, students, and small businesses looking to escape licensing costs without retraining their staff. Another standout in 2026 is Zorin OS, particularly the latest Zorin OS Pro and Core editions. Zorin has always focused on being beginner-friendly, but in recent years, its Windows 11-style layout has become incredibly refined. The desktop feels modern, elegant, and responsive, with subtle animations that rival or even surpass Windows 11. The taskbar sits neatly at the bottom with centered icons. The app launcher feels familiar, and system settings are logically organized in a way that makes sense to former Windows users. What really sets Zorin OS apart is its attention to detail. From the lock screen to the login screen, everything feels cohesive and premium. In 2026, Zorin has also improved its software store, making it easier to install popular Windows alternatives like LibreOffice, GIMP, Kdenlive, and even some Windows apps via built-in compatibility tools. Zorin OS doesn't just copy Windows 11 visually. It improves on it by being faster, more private, and far more customizable. Moving forward, we have Kubuntu, which might not be marketed as a Windows 11 clone, but in 2026, it absolutely deserves a spot on this list. Kubuntu uses the KDE Plasma desktop, and KDE Plasma has become the gold standard for Windows-like Linux desktops. With its latest versions, KDE Plasma offers a near-perfect Windows 11 experience if you use the default or slightly tweaked layout. The centered taskbar, the modern app launcher, the smooth window animations, and the overall UI polish are all there. What makes Kubuntu special is that it combines this visual familiarity with the rock-solid base of Ubuntu. This means excellent driver support, long-term updates, and massive community support. In 2026, KDE Plasma has also focused heavily on performance optimization, making Kubuntu feel incredibly fast even on modest hardware. For users who want a Windows 11 look but also want maximum control and flexibility, Kubuntu is an outstanding choice. Another distro that has gained serious attention in 2026 is Linux Mint with its Cinnamon desktop, especially when configured with the latest Windows 11-inspired themes. Linux Mint has always been known for stability, simplicity, and user-friendliness. While Cinnamon traditionally looked more like older versions of Windows, recent updates and themes have transformed it into a convincing Windows 11 alternative. The panel can be centered, the menu redesigned, and the overall aesthetic modernized with rounded corners, blur effects, and soft shadows. What users love about Linux Mint is how comfortable it feels. There are no surprises, no forced changes, and no unnecessary complexity. Everything just works. In 2026, Linux Mint continues to be one of the best choices for beginners, especially those coming from Windows 10 or 11 who want something reliable, familiar, and fast. Now let's talk about a distro that truly embraces customization and modern design. Garuda Linux. While Garuda is often associated with gamers and power users, its KDE Dragonized Edition in 2026 offers a striking Windows 11-like experience with a more futuristic twist. The centered taskbar, glossy effects, and fluid animations create a desktop that feels both familiar and exciting. Garuda is based on Arch Linux, which means it uses rolling updates and always has the latest software. In the past, Arch-based systems were considered too complex for beginners, but Garuda has changed that perception with its graphical tools, installers, and recovery options. In 2026, Garuda has refined its UI to be more accessible while still delivering top-tier performance. For users who want a Windows 11 look combined with cutting-edge software and gaming performance, Garuda Linux is a powerful option. Another name worth mentioning is Deepin OS. Deepin has always been known for its beautiful design, and in 2026, its desktop environment has evolved to closely resemble Windows 11 in terms of layout and user experience. The dock app launcher, control center, and animations all feel modern and intuitive. While Deepin doesn't aim to be a one-to-one Windows clone, its design language is close enough that Windows users feel at home almost instantly. Deepin is especially popular among users who care deeply about aesthetics and user experience. The distro comes with a suite of well-designed native apps, from file managers to music players, all of which follow the same visual style. In 2026, Deepin has also improved its international support and performance, making it a strong contender for users who want a Windows-like but visually refined Linux desktop. Next, we have an interesting contender, Elementary OS with custom Windows 11-style layouts. By default, Elementary OS looks more like Mac OS, but in 2026, many users have transformed it into a Windows 11-like experience using extensions, themes, and layout tweaks. What makes Elementary OS unique is its focus on simplicity and consistency. Every app looks and feels like it belongs to the same ecosystem. When adapted to a Windows-style workflow, it becomes a surprisingly effective Windows alternative. It's not for everyone, especially those who want everything pre-configured out of the box, but for users who enjoy a clean, minimal system with a familiar layout, Elementary OS can be a great choice. Let's also talk about Fedora KDE Spin. Fedora has traditionally been associated with developers and advanced users, but in 2026, its KDE Spin has become more user-friendly and visually appealing than ever. The Windows 11-style layout is easy to achieve and looks incredibly polished thanks to the latest KDE Plasma features. Fedora is known for using cutting-edge technologies and being close to upstream development. This means you get new features earlier than on many other distros. For users who want a modern Windows-like experience combined with the latest Linux innovations, Fedora KDE Spin is an excellent option. As we look at all these distros, it's important to understand that looking like Windows 11 is only part of the story. The real advantage of these Linux systems lies in what they offer beyond appearance. They are faster, especially on older hardware. They respect your privacy by not tracking your activity. They give you full control over updates instead of forcing reboots at inconvenient times. And most importantly, they empower you to truly own your computer. In 2026, software compatibility is no longer a major concern. With tools like Wine, Proton, and virtualization, many Windows applications and games run flawlessly on Linux. Office alternatives are more mature than ever. Browsers are identical across platforms, and cloud services work just as well. For most users, switching to a Windows 11-style Linux distro is no longer a compromise. It's an upgrade. So if you're watching this video and wondering whether Linux is ready for you in 2026, the answer is a confident yes. Whether you choose Linux for its near-perfect Windows clone, Zorin OS for its elegance and ease of use, Kubuntu for its power and flexibility, Linux Mint for its stability, Garuda for its performance, or Deepin for its beauty, there is a Linux distro out there that looks and feels exactly like Windows 11 while offering so much more under the hood. The future of desktop computing isn't about being locked into one ecosystem. It's about choice, freedom, and performance. And in 2026, Linux has proven that you don't have to give up familiarity to gain control. You can have the Windows 11 experience, without the limitations you don't.